What will I get? Hello guys, hope you all are well and safe at home during this time. Just went to Walmart and got this mystery thing I saw because it had a mandrake and a sorting hat, and it's a mystery one. Is from Walmart. It's these Mashems. I think they're like these squishy little thingies I see. So I figured I'd make a quick video seeing which one I got. I really want the mandrake and the sorting hat, obviously. And this, I picked up a couple and shook them, and this was like the lightest one out of the few I picked. So let's see, oops, which one it is. I'm hoping it's the one I want. Alright, so finally got the wrap off. Let's open it up. I did! I got, ooh, smells weird. I got the mandrake. Oh my god, it's so cute. See, I knew it. The other ones were a bit lighter and a bit bigger, so I figured this one, that's what it was. This is a bit small, and I was correct. They're like these little squishy rubber things that smell kind of weird. Oh, awesome. Oh, it's just paper inside. And that's it. We need a mandrake. Oh, I love that. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to quickly open this up and just show you, a little video and whatnot. That's my cat calling me for attention. So I hope you guys are all okay and safe, as well as your families during this time, and continue to do so. And I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.